Bro, that joint funky. That shit funky. That's all
I said it. No, you said the one behind it. That's something else.
Shit, y'all dance. Charge that money up. The bed kind of short. What I need. That's what I need right here. Shoot. There's room in here. Rooming. It's giant rooming. I want to see what the back like though. In the leg room in there. Kids got space back there.
He's 6 foot. He can barely squeeze in. Barely.
Barely.
Yeah, but it's doable. It's
Oh,
not
doable.
like a Mustang,
Yeah.
you know?
Long
It's
them
impossible.
rides to Florida ain't gonna be comfortable for him.
Yeah.
Mine's yeah. All my kids getting tall too. That ain't gonna work. Yeah. G-Wagon there might be the one. G-Wagon there might be the one. The wagon there might be the one. Need that jump for the kids. And look sweet at the same time. Nah, that ain't you, bro. It's for like the girl or something. Comfortable in this joint than the Durango.
Yeah, you can move the seat in that one. I tried to adjust it, but you couldn't move it.
Yeah, this joint right here.
I'm thinking about, I don't like leather seats though. That's me.
Oh, the third row look like it got put. It look like it got some nice room.
This is like mom's hair.
Let's
I know, I
get
saw
this
it.
out. Let me get it. Yeah, the seats. Okay. Ain't a whole lot of space though if everybody's sitting.
Ain't that space.
Ain't that, but yeah. That second row definitely spacious. I know. I just wanted to. I'm making my way around there. Man, he can't be doing no driving in this joint. This joint a straight show car.
What's going on? What's going on?
What's
man?
up? What's up, bro?
The 101 Chameleon Vet, the only one like it in the world.
Yeah, bro. Is you?
All day long.
Yeah.
On Sunday. Oh, the day is Sunday. You
Yeah.
might see two of these, baby.
Might see two of them. Yeah, this joint there. They did something when they made them looking like this. They changed.
This is a fully custom car. You won't find another one like this one where this is a true custom car show.
This joint too hard. Space in the back. Me all day. This definitely presidential right here. My bad, that's all right. Look at the screen in that joint, bruh. The dashboard. Digital screen. Oh, we're old. That joint's sexy.